Hi, this is your leader driver, and now's the time to bring you into the beauty of life. Ready? Let's go! Hi beautiful people, and for today's video, the family and I went for our staycation. Pero saglit lang because we'll do our annual planning for the church, for our family, and for the business that God entrusted to us. And for now, we are here sa, is it Boso-Boso or Boso? Boso-Boso sa Antipolo!
Hi sa vlog.
Hi!
Salamat sa nanonood. 5 million views. Thank you. Sana
Nakakain kami dahil sa inyo.
Nakakain kami sa Boso-Boso.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Na guys. Bye-bye. Video to. Loka sa vlog. Sabi mo we're done eating.
We're done eating.
Ganyan siya guys. Kailangan sinasabi ko pa. Daddy Jidel!
Kami na lang yung vlogger dito. Napipilitan na lang yan kasi masipag siya gumawa ng
Nasaan si
watchlist.
Daddy Jidel?
Antun!
Saan na tayo papunta?
Sa
Dapat pala
prayer
na vlog mo yun. Bye-bye.
And so we are here sa Prayer Mountain to do our annual planning. So why did we choose to go here and do our planning? Kasi
May ritual si Mami.
this is a very quiet place, and at the same time meron kaming meron silang meditation room, and yun, basta maganda rito, maganda talaga. Yung ambience pa lang, sobrang tahimik, yung atmosphere. Si Joshua pay yung, anong tawag mo doon? Entrance fee here. So, the entrance fee here is 100 pesos per pax. And that is good for until what time? Hanggang 7 p.m. So, ayun po. And these are the dorms. Yan, meron sila. And ayun, sino yun? Uy. That's Kuya JM. And ayun si Mr. Let's Go. Napaka-seryoso. Ewan ko kung ano binibilang. Mr. Let's Go, kayamanan ba yan binibilang mo? Mr. Let's Go, kayamanan ba yan? So, I'm waiting for... Ay, ito yung model namin. Ito yung model. Ayan na,
Hindi may kamot.
James. Yan. So, sige. Later, we will start our planning na. We'll stay somewhere here para makapag-brainstorming kami family for this 2025 years. Thank you. For now, halfway yung aming
For now.
halfway yung aming planning. We will pursue it or continue it sa hotel. Tutuloy namin ba? We will go to prayer room now kasi kailangan namin strength coming from the Lord.
Tingin mo yung sabi.
Go, boss. Boss.
Amen.
Hi beautiful people! Eto na naman ako. We're here. Nag-stay kami sa Bosay Resort kasi wala nang available room sa Prayer Mountain. So, for tonight, before we sleep, the kids will going to swim. Before nga pala noon, we watch movie. So, ang ganda. It's about the family. And na-enjoy namin. And for tonight, before we sleep na, they will go out. Both of them, Jeshley and Kuya, to swim. And after that, punta na sila dito ulit. So, dadali mo pa sila doon sa swimming pool? O, sige. Dadali kayo ni Jelay doon. Bye! Dad!
Nasa bagay.
Dad! Babay ka na. Oh. Bawal. Hello. We're done trying the grabe massage. Next.
Kilala si Hernando.
Eyes. Then the second. The second one is better.
Better, bakit?
It's books. We're done with the
Ano, mapapalaro ka ba?
third pool. And how was it?
Wala na daw slide. Ay, wala na daw.
Ayun, wala na daw eh kasi wala na.
slide.
Dapat ano na lang yun.
Kasi yung slide sila iba.
Pero kayo naman,
Shoutout kay Hernando.
busay. Yan na ba yun guys? Let's go. Let's go. We need to party at the disco. At the disco pool. Let's go. na sila, mami. It's 12 a.m.
Sisig Solo 1990.
Looking for food. Ah!
Dito only.
Ayun mo naman.
Gusto niya yan. Iisaw.
Magkita tayo doon sa dulo. Antay ka namin doon. Mga 3 kilometro yan, maot na yan. Oh, promise.
Like kasi vlog. Namumuli ka dito.
Mr. Let's Go.
Mr. Let's Go, hello. How are you? I'm here. Thank you at kainta Rizal.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
So, anong ginawa natin?
Bye-bye. Nagsangyup kami.
Eh?
Tapos, sinausap ako ng tiyan ko, nagloko.
Ay!
Bye-bye.
Ayan. So, beautiful people. End na yung day namin ng short staycation dito sa Antipolo.
Vacation na puno-puno na.
And tapos na ang aming yung planning. So, ayun lang ang may update ko sa inyo ngayon. Wala akong may update. Eto na at sige, magbababay na rin ang aming mga partners. Eto si Kuya JM, si Jalay. Aray ko. Oh, Jalay, pakita ka. And your LRD saying, have a nice day and God bless you all. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like sign. Please subscribe in my channel. Follow me in my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram account. Thank you very much, dear beautiful people.
Bye-bye.
God bless you all. Bye. Mwah, mwah,